very, very difficult to make work in the public realm without that support.
Yeah, yes.
I would like to reconcile artificial light with natural light.
Jeg sa I avisen I dag morges at vi har fått vår egen Mona Lisa. I'm very grateful to the Commune of Oslo because without them this could not have been realized.
We could do something where we as humans walk together between the pixels. And we cut the navel cord and then it's yours. And I hope it will bring you good moments and that you together can walk inside the screen.
I have never done this before, so I'm sure I can do it. Nordic Pixel Forest will be the largest work in the sculpture park, with 212 square meters, 24,000. Think about that number. LED lights. It is an artwork that draws you in, making you a participant rather than just an observer. I declare the Nordic Pixel Forest officially open, and I urge you all to turn around.